Alright, what is going on, everyone? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome back to another episode, Make Life Fit. My name is Paul. We're with Chanel this morning. Feeling real good, still in Cabo. This is our last full day. So we're gonna kind of just take it easy, try to hit one of these beaches that we can find, and then kind of take it from there. We're just gonna grab some breakfast real quick and just take in some of these views. Oh, look at that. There's it right there. Crazy. Just hopped in the Uber. We're about to head up to the beach now. And then check out, it's called Medino Beach. See you there in a bit. Just got out the Uber. About to head towards the beach now. It's kind of like surreal being in a different country, not necessarily knowing the language. No, I know a little bit of Spanish, but I definitely don't know enough to get me by. So it's kind of like have to rely on how they speak and how I speak, and hopefully we can make sense of where I'm trying to go. But Uber's not allowed to go to that part of the beach, so we're walking the rest of the way. Not that far, but we're going to a place called Medino Beach, and walking in Mexico. Hopefully we'll get there. All right, so we didn't get captured and we didn't die, so we made it. This is awesome. Look at this. Boats. Hello.
No, thank you. Adios.
They want us to do everything. Everybody stops here. They want you to buy stuff, and they want you to, obviously purchase the thing. I'm pretty sure their livelihood is built off of tourists. You know what I mean? So you got to kind of be a little aggressive and be like, all right, I'm going to the beach. But we made it. We're here now. I'll show you what this looks like. Check these views. Beautiful. About to find a little section and then park up. We made it out here. Water's beautiful. Finally, first time ever getting to touch the Pacific Ocean. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful water. The dog out there swimming. It's beautiful out here. It's really nice. Glad we finally got a chance to do it, because I was a little upset before if we could not touch the beach because it was too aggressive, but we found one. So it's nice out here. Alright, already starting to sweat. I'm about to chill. This is our spot right here. It's gonna be our view for the next couple of hours. Really looks nice. Only thing we gotta deal with is like everybody keep walking around like selling stuff, like this guy here. He's about to ask me something. So they come around pretty often. So that's the only thing you gotta kind of deal with. But you know, when in Rome type of deal. All right, so we decided to do a tour. Is that a GoPro? Yeah, a GoPro. So we decided to do a tour, and we're in a glass bottom boat. Look at that.
No fish here, over there.
Want to see some fish in a bit, but we're out. That's where we were just staying at. Over there. Nice. We on the boat now.
Yo, let me drive the boat.
Come to find out, this area is called the Sea of Cortez, and then the Pacific Ocean is on the other side of this mountain. You can see that. We still didn't get a chance to get into the Pacific Ocean. I mean, I'm sure it's the same water, but this is called the Sea of Cortez. So we're at Pelican Rock right now. As you can see, all the pelicans over here, just chilling on the rocks. Fish. Oh, big old fish.
Waterproof?
Yeah, waterproof. Wow. They were very close to me just now. Such a crazy area that we're in. Look how this water crashes over through this crest.
Now we're going to see the window to the Pacific.
When it comes over it, when the waves crash, it just looks like a little waterfall. It's pretty cool. Look at that cave.
There is the Pacific window, guys.
Of course, now it doesn't want to do it, so but we're about to go over to it. Could you imagine trying to swim through something like that? Like if it was like life or death, would you want to swim through that to try to save your own life? That's cool. Hey guys, check this out. Sea lions. I've never seen sea lions out in the wild like that. It's crazy. Just chilling.
Damn.
Just in case you didn't see him before, we're even closer. How crazy is that? I mean, that's amazing. Now we're finally past this rock. It's now the Pacific Ocean. Just touched some Pacific water, finally. We just arrived on Lovers Beach. Check out our new view. Okay. We were over there. Now we're over here. And they have a Pacific side on this side. We can swim here. We can't swim on that side, but we're gonna go over there because I want to see what it looks like and check it out. So once I get over there, I'll bring you over there. I watch a lot of movies, and I'm not gonna say that I'm scary, you know, because I'm not a scary person. But at the same time, I don't know if I'm gonna go through this cave. Look at this, pick this up. Yeah, this is all you're gonna get on this film, okay, guys? So just be grateful. Be grateful that you got that. That's it. I'm not going in there. I'm not touching it. It's a cave. Can't do. All right, so I was conned into doing some more. She took pictures back here, so I can't feel like, you know what I'm saying? All right, that's it. We out. So now we fascinated with all these cave scenes. We actually found one that looks like a cool cave. Look at this, looks like a whole door. Look. Oh yeah, we're about to walk up to that in a second. But in the meantime, while we're walking, check out this view. They said that this is called Lovers Beach on this side. And then the guy made a joke that was one of the boys said that side is called Divorce Beach. But we found a whole cave. It looks like a whole entrance and everything. Nobody's stopping us, and we're in Mexico, so the rules are definitely different. Doesn't let nobody will stop us anyway, to be honest. Keep trying to sell us weed. Check this out.
I love you.
Oh, it's a legit cave. Oh shoot! Yeah, this is it for me. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it for me. I'm not even going in. Look, I'm staying right out here and just. Nah, I'm not doing it. Can't do it. Nope. Our new update, we survived the cave. Look at this rock though, it's cool. Rock formations. It's about as cavey you gonna get from me. I'm not walking in nothing. You know what this reminds me of? This looks like a scene from Congo. You ever seen Congo? That's what that looks like. Alright, so we're on the Pacific side finally. That's what it looks like. But you see the red flag over there? That means we can't swim in it because it's too aggressive. They said the riptide is just too crazy to swim in. So I'm gonna see if I can touch the water though, you know. Try to do it for the vlog. But it's beautiful still. Definitely looks aggressive, can't lie. Might go down that end actually. Try to touch the water. We'll see. More to come. The water's gonna come up right here. I'm gonna touch it with my foot. If it comes up, it's gonna be right here.
Amazing picture.
It's coming. Gonna touch it, gonna be rebellious. Now I don't want to come this far. Look at that. That's ridiculous. came up here all crazy too. Now it's not up here. Now it's no hard waves. I'm trying to get you guys a shot. I'm trying to get it. Here he comes. Still nothing. Didn't quite hit the mark. We're just waiting right now, casually waiting for a wave to come up, clash, touch my feet, be the wave it's supposed to be. But it doesn't want to do that for whatever reason. I'm gonna do it while his back is tearing. Oh, I'm in the water, I'm in the water, I'm in the water. Look at that, illegal. It's illegal, guys. It's illegal. I did it for the vlog. It's amazing where we're at. We're at Lovers Beach still. And I just want to show you, one, how clear the water is, and two, how fast it goes down. So hopefully I can illustrate this correctly. It's fine for here, right? Chilling. Check out this dip though, if you can see it. It's hard to illustrate it on camera, so I'm illustrating my body as I walk in it. Literally 3 feet into it, and I'm already at my neck. Walk out a little bit more, and you can barely touch. The shoreline is only right there. It's crazy how fast it goes down. But it's very nice. We actually had a school of fish. See, look, it's pulling me out. We had a school of fish. Actually already come get us. And they ran past us super quick, and felt like little gunshots. That's what it felt like. We legit scared. We had to really fight. Like a fight. You can't even like chill in the beach. But see, that's the first time I've been under. Of course, it won't happen on camera, but it is what it is. So it showed that. We only got about 10 more minutes here. We're gonna go back and try to hit the marina. All right. Just left the island. We're about to head into the marina. We get to get dropped off. So it's like VIP section. Definitely pretty cool to see all these boats. We're at the marina now. One last look. Pretty cool. About to, I guess, see some shops and probably try to get something to eat real quick. See what else is going on around here. So check this out. We're at the marina, right? I didn't realize how big this was. So I just got a map from one of the guys out here. We are currently at number 4, if you can see it, number 4. We got to walk up this line here for the restaurants, but you got this whole marina to walk in, and got all these different shops down there. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is kind of cool. It's like another tour by ourselves. It's nice. So we're about to grab something to eat real quick, find somewhere, and then head on back probably. Alright, quick update, food vlog, we're here. Quesadilla, shrimp taco, that's the fish taco there. Shrimp taco, all your toppings. We're doing good, we're doing good, we're doing good. The food is good, but I see this big old crowd and you know I'm very nosy. So I'm like, well, what are they doing over there? So I wanted to show you this fish that they caught. Look at this thing. Look how big it is.
Everybody smiling, moving, being happy.
That's a big fish. Congratulations on that guy. Made it on back. Back to the hotel. This is our last night here. We're gonna probably just lay low, you know, relax for the evening. I've got a wedding going on down there, huh? You see that? Yeah, nice wedding going on. Just wanna chill out. So we're back tomorrow and back to Philly tomorrow. So guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Tell a friend, tell him to subscribe, tell her to subscribe. All right, hit that notification bell, guys, and as always, make life fit, guys. We're out.